So over here you can see that I have a bunch of lights applied onto this particular composition right here. So let's just go around over here and see that this light by clicking and dragging it out right here. You can see that as I bring this out, you can see that it changes out the intensity of the light right here, just like this. So on the 3D objects right here, you can see that the light affects out. But the light type right here is 1 right now. So let's just go around and delete out this particular light right here. And if I were to take this light, you can see that as I move along the light, you can see that it works like a light bulb where the light actually goes around and shines in more where it is closer to the object. But if I want to go ahead and change out the light, now that is the light type, then I can go around over here and then just go around and select out the light right here and then go around under controls. And you can see that the light type right here is point, as you can see right here. If I were to go around over here onto point and change it to ambient right here, then you can see that it is much more intense right here. And you can control out the intensity of the ambient light. So ambient light affects the overall scene, whereas the point light right here affects only a particular point over here, as you can see, and you can control out the intensity of the light as well. Apart from that, you can go around and change it into a spotlight, which turns it into a spot, as you can see right here. So as I pull this out right here, you can see that this is the spotlight right here, just like this, which affects out a spot right here. So that is what you have right here, as you can see, just like this. And then you can see that you can go around and change around the cone angle over here. As I click and drag around, you can see that it affects out the cone angle as well, which is the spotlight, as you can see. And another type of light is directional light right here, just like this. So what you can do is you can go around and control out the intensity. And just like a sunlight, what happens is that it actually is directional, as you can see right here. So as I bring this in, you can see that it does affect out more on where it is pointed out, but it is more like coming from a direction over here, just like this. So you can go around over here and change around, let's say for example, the transform properties, and you can go around and change around the target right here, the position right here, just like this. And that is how it affects out the light, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go around and then work around with all of these properties, which we are going to explore as we progress along further videos. So that is how you can go around and change out the light type inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.